That's awesome. Welcome everybody to the Sound Lab. How did a nice big cheer? Let me hear it. Yeah! This is the Sound Lab. This is where we add dialogue and sound effects to movies after they've been filmed. I don't know if you knew that, but when we're filming a movie, I'll record all the words, the dialogue, everything else, all the other sounds are added afterwards. It's called the art of Foley. Let me show you how it works. This was invented right here at Universal in the 1920s.
Would you please put your clothes back on? You hurt yourself. You look like a roach chicken. That was a lucky shot.
That's during the filming of the movie of The Nutty Professor 2. Absolutely no sound effects. We edit the movie, and then Foley artists have to create the sounds in any way that they can as they watch.
Would you please put your clothes back on? You hurt yourself. You look like a roast chicken. That was a lucky shot.
Applause for me! Thank you! That's how we do it. Now, I'm just excited. I never get to do this. It's always Megan, but she's dead. So, here's what's going to happen. We're going to add dialogue and sound effects to the movies Peter Pan, King Kong, and Evan Almighty. So let's get started with this Walla Walla sign. Oh, English is hard for me. So when this comes on, I want you guys to just start yelling and screaming for your lives, all right? Let's practice. 1, 2, 3. Scream! Perfect. You guys are at about a 5. Let's kick that up to a 10. So scream and stomp your feet and clap your hands and throw a baby in the air and catch one, even if it's not yours, all right? Keep your eyes on that sign. Now, what is your name? Stuart. See this red light right here, Stuart? When that turns on, you're going to play some jungle drums for me, all right? Here's how you do that. You're going to take this, just like that. It can be fast, it can be slow. I don't care as long as I can hear it. Cool? So watch this red light. As soon as it comes on, go crazy on this thing. And your name? Eddie. Eddie, you are going to be my big finale, all right? You're going to be my King Kong roar. So when that red light on top of the TV comes on, Eddie, I need you to give me a nice hearty roar. All right, Eddie? Try it. Go. Ah! Perfect. Just like that, Eddie. Watch that red light and do what you just did, but from down here and like a man, okay? And your name? Leah? Leah, see this red light right here? This is your red light. When that turns on, you're going to play Tinkerbell for me, all right? Do you know who that is? Good. Here's how you play Tinkerbell. And just back and forth, and you don't stop until that red light turns off. Can you do that? Cool. All right, and your name? Dave? Dave, do me a favor. Take one big step back, Dave. All right. Okay, guys, here's what's going to happen. Let's get some names from everybody quickly. Tiana? Nia? Heston? As in Charleston? You don't know who that is. McKenna? Caroline? David? Marla. Cool, guys. Well, they're screaming for their lives. You guys are going to be running for them. Here's how you do that. Everybody try that. Go! Yeah, go crazy. I hate you, Mom and Dad. Awesome. See this red light right here? When this comes on, I want you guys to wail on this thing like you caught it breaking into your house, okay? And when it turns off, I want you to stop, all right? It's going to be on for like an hour, so stretch your arms, okay? And your name. I'm sorry? Miyuki? Miyuki, see that red light right there? That's your red light. When that comes on, you're going to take the crash box, you're going to give it a couple of slow spins, just 1 or 2 spins will be fine. I want to hear those crashes inside, all right? So you can use the box, you can use the wheel, whichever one you want. It's up to you. This is America. These colors don't run. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to re-record all of these lines for me, all right? When the red light comes on for the first time, you read line 1. It'll turn off, it'll come back on, line 2, so on and so forth. For line 1, read the line and stop right here, and I'll tell you when to scream, okay? Practice number 4 into the mic for me. Let me make sure this is all ready to go. Yeah, number 4 into the mic. Go. Perfect. You're going to want to give it just a little bit more volume. Also, see how it says repeat? Yeah, you keep repeating it until the light turns off. Also, you're playing Tinkerbell in that scene in number 4, so I need you to throw it up a couple octaves. We are flying! Try that. Go. Try it. Good. Thanks for trying. And then, of course, I'm going to add some sounds here with the digital board, which will... Nasty. Gross. No, don't. He who denied it supplied it. That's how the rhyme goes. I didn't make the rhyme. You should have waited in between rooms. That's when I farted. All right, everybody, watch your red lights. Here we go. Let's make some movies. Ha, fart jokes. Go. Go.
Now, behind the wall. Ah! Oh no! Get everyone on the arc now.
Follow directions.
Oh no, we've got to get these people out of here.
Yeah. Cut. It's a good movie, right? I'm sorry, remind me your name?
Eddie.
Oh, Eddie. I'm sorry, what happened? That was no light? What are you, his lawyer? Okay, I'm sorry, Eddie. It's okay, everybody. He's not stupid. It was the light. Tell you what, Eddie, we're going to need to have this roar. So come right over here. We're going to have to do this live. We got 2 microphones in here. Just go ahead and put the headsets on. Yeah, just right in there. Right. I'm sorry? No, keep your pants up. That helps. Hi, awkward. Okay, guys. You're done. Chill, relax. Come stand right here in the middle for me so you can all see the fruits of your labor. Let's show some lights on in there for Eddie. Oh, watch your head there. Those are expensive. Are you okay? Okay, here we go. Take a look. All right, there are my jungle drums. Good job.
Look out, behind the wall.
Nice. Can you feel the emotion? Now the blood-curdling scream.
Ah!
Yup. I wish you were my dad. You could just shower your kids with so much love. Line 2.
Oh no! Get everyone on the arc now.
Yep. Footsteps. Crowd noise. Nice. All right. And now here come my Tinkerbells. There's one. And
We are flying.
yep.
We are flying.
Crash box.
Oh no!
That Tinkerbell sounds like she's been smoking for 20 years. All right, Eddie, get ready in there. Here we go.
Oh no! We've got to get these people out of here.
All right, Eddie. And action. No. Give me a roar. Yeah, there you go. One more good one. Awesome. Applause. That was great. Oh, no. Eddie, why? Oh, you were so evil. Why is this happening? Get up. No. Come on. You don't need that. All right. Can you go make sure he's okay? We'll be right here. Go. Be careful, though. There might be blood everywhere. No? I'm just kidding. Come on back. Give the round of applause. And look at there. They're okay. And now, everybody, I need you all to do the final special effect. The one most awesome special effect. Everybody up. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Get out.